Hey guys, this is Rosakelly. Welcome back to the channel. So today I am here to give you a walkthrough of the full kits that I added to the website. So these are the kits for the month of August, and I have two beautiful, very summery kits. So if you are subscribed to the one kit a month, you'll be receiving this one here. And of course, if you're subscribed to the bundle, you will receive both. But also these kits are listed on the website as a standalone right now, so you can just pick and choose whichever you want if you don't wish to subscribe but still be part of the kits. Now these kits also will include the class, so as you can see I have not started the classes yet, but when that is ready I just directly email you the PDF with the class for each one of these kits. And so yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this one. So I'm going to show you kits 1 first, and I am super excited. This collection is so pretty. Both of these collections are just really pretty. So the first one here is called Homegrown, and this is a collection by Prima. And it is a 12 by 12 collection, and then we have some different pieces. We have some background coordinating papers that we selected, and then also it includes your chipboard. So let's take a look here first at the paper collection. So we have 14 sheets, and they are double-sided, of course, not the cover but the pages here are, and these are just so pretty. Look at this beautiful garden. It is really cute for a summer book also, but you know, spring, any occasion. So we have the cute little mice, we have the house on the background, and I love that it is kind of one landscape, beautiful image. And then on the back, of course, we have another more collage page with beautiful image here as well. So 2 of each design. Then we have this one. I just absolutely love mice on the collections, and I love that Prima is creating more of those. I don't know if you guys remember, I use that also for one of my subscription box classes. We used a little 6x6 that was just so pretty. So this collection is very similar, kind of just more garden oriented instead of recipe oriented, but they are just so cute. I love the little mice in the collections. But anyway, so here we have a collage page, so pretty, with all the garden things and the seeds. And then here is the back. Again, love the distress look. And we have 2 of those. Then look at this page, so cute. I am actually looking at the collection for the first time as I am sharing this with you, like more in detail, and I just love it. I love discovering each new page. And look at the back here. I love the garden tiles. So 2 of those. Then we have the other mice here harvesting the apples, so cute, little squirrels. And then another background distress look. It says harvest book. And then 2 of those. Then we have the apples. I just love all the apples, and I love that we have green and red apples, so cute. And then another distress page here. I love the crunkly look of the kind of like chipping paint or something like that. Really like that. And then we have over here a greenhouse, again the garden, vegetables, the beautiful sky, some collage text up there. And then this is the back with the beautiful flowers, and we have 2 of those. And then we also have a page with ephemera. Look at that. We can cut these and just gonna add those throughout the page. So we have 2 sides, and we also have 2 pages, which is great, so we can use both sides here. And that is that. And then we're adding some papers that complement the colors, but these papers are by Peon Designs, and they're just solid, little bit distressed colors. So we have the green, the cream, the brown, we have some blue, and this kind of like reddish pink color, and some gray or black. And then we have the two pieces of 12 by 12 chipboard with that. And so those are the papers. And now let's take a look at the little added pieces here. So we have some seam binding. We have this chipboard piece that has kind of like the vegetables growing as well. We have these beautiful flowers, some butterflies, just different colors, but it has a lot of pink. And then we have the ephemera set here. So I won't be opening these right now. We have 78 pieces, and it kind of shows on the back here. We have some mice, some apples, some gardening tools, different cute little sentiments, and just a little bit of everything here in the back. I particularly love the little mice, so cute. So this is the Homegrown collection. Again, if you are subscribed to only one kit, this is the kit of the month, the #1 kit that you will be receiving. And now let me show you the second kit. And again, if you're interested on these as a standalone, I will have them everything on the same website, so on my same kind of same page on the website, so you'll find it there. And now let's take a look at this second kit. So of course you also have your 2 large pieces of chipboard. Put that on the back. So this collection is called Farmhouse Summer by Cartabella. I love Cartabella papers. Like, they just feel almost like a wallpaper. I just love the thickness and the texture of these cardstock pieces. So I think I have it. Well, let's just go page by page. So over here we have these beautiful backgrounds. Again, very summery, very farmhouse oriented. Love the blue tones on this collection, and the background here with all these flowers is so pretty, and they are double-sided, as you can see. I think I have it in reverse, so it's okay. So here we have this other design, and these are the 4 by 3 images from the collection. I love this one that says Home Sweet Home. And then so we can use that to create little booklets. So here's the next one over here, and then this is the back with the flowers. And I really love the style of Cartabella paper because they're all kind of like different design backgrounds in a way, and then you'll use the elements to just kind of create some highlights, like these pieces here. There's no place like home, home sweet home. I just love the home theme of the collection. So here is the next one with, again, beautiful kind of watercolor flowers. And then I'm gonna show you the back first, but yeah, so that is the back. And then here we have another beautiful design, very happy summery colors. And then this one is another page of different cut apart. So we have 4 by 6 cards. I love that we have different orientations, and then little sentiments here, and then just little tags. So cute. And then here's the next background. Really delicate, really pretty. And then look at this one. You can create your own little sections in here, which is so cute. So these little tags, it's called farm tags. And then the back you have even smaller little tags. And then here's the next one. And this is the back with the house design. And then this one here with the gates. And then this is the back with more 4 by 6 cut aparts, live in the moment. I just love it. Oh, I love this board with all the things that you need to make bread. And then we also have a sticker sheet on this collection. So Really pretty, different elements. Okay, and then we also have some complementary colors, color cardstock. So we have different tones here again. So we have some yellow, again, really pretty paper with texture here. This is some orange, brown with polka dots. Then we have some blue, different tones of blue. This white one also has like some texture, different tones, and more of those. So different pages. And again, love the texture on these cardstock pieces here. Almost feels also like wallpaper, so it really goes well with the collection. So those are all the extras. And now for the flowers, we have this beautiful Prima flower set with the gold centers, really cute. Some seam binding. This piece by Blue Fern Studios that says big, dream big. And then we also have this other chipboard by Fantasy, which is really pretty. So we'll be doing some embossing for these chipboard pieces, and I am super excited to start creating with these two new collection kits. I'm gonna have them linked down below, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.